Good morning. So I brought you out into my garden because it's really cold. It was -3 last night. So my son and I filled up plastic pots with water and some balloons with water to make ice sculptures. Now, as we know, when the water that goes in here is a liquid, and then overnight at -3 it's become a solid. And it's a really great time of the year to show how it can also end up being a gas, because if you come out and it's cold like this, you can send water vapour out of your mouth. So there's the water as a gas. Okay, so fill up your pot and put some string in. I put a couple of little cones in there as well. And then with the balloon, you need to put the string into the balloon and then fill it up with water. Put a bag clip on the end of the balloon to hold the water. And without cutting the string, and only cutting the balloon, I think it's been cold enough. There's quite a lot there. Hopefully it will stay on the string. There we go. Have a go this evening. Have a go this evening.